In every corner of the world, at a conference, in a classroom, within a company, or during a chat among friends, artificial intelligence is under debate. Algorithms cross borders faster than diplomacy, influence economic and security decisions, and are redefining global power. What began as a technological dream has turned into a race among states. The United States, China, and the European Union are competing to dominate artificial intelligence, with massive budgets and national strategies. But the state is no longer the only key player. Today, major tech companies hold unprecedented power. Artificial intelligence is the new treasure, but with a difference: it's in plain sight. It enters our homes, shapes our perceptions, and creates a new digital divide between those who have computing power and those who don't. The laggards of today will be the poor countries of tomorrow. At the same time, sovereignty, the cornerstone of international laws, being transformed. The centrality of territory is shifting toward the sovereign control of information and algorithms. The ability to decide without external interference has moved to systems that allocate resources, assess risks, and set priorities. Sovereignty now also manifests as the power to choose which algorithm to use. In this new digital order, the big question is, who controls the controllers? Artificial intelligence global governance will require new forms of diplomacy and the engagement of scientists, companies, and users. In simple words, purely state-led diplomacy is no longer enough. That is why social scientists must leap into I understand its codes, its models, and its ethical and political implications, because artificial intelligence doesn't just transform technology, it redefines what it means to be human, to exercise power, and to build peace. The 21st century will be remembered not for who created the most powerful algorithm, but for who ensured that artificial intelligence reflected universal values. The answer to that question will determine whether AI liberates humanity or subjects it to a new form of global domination. Want to know more? Visit our blog and read the full version of our analysis.